Hello everyone. Today I am going to explain fruits composition from class 5 page number 7. Draw and color a composition using the fruits given in the border. So composition means you should arrange the given fruits in according to the size, according to the perspective, okay, by overlapping each other. So how it will be there I am saying. So first to see that in that big fruit is watermelon. How it is there? Slanting way. First take one slanting line. So this watermelon drawing we should draw big size because it is a big fruit. So you have to make it big size. If you do this one small size, you need to make it the banana, grapes very small. So because of that you have to make this big size fruit little big size. The watermelon, see that the curve, first slanting line edit, afterwards one curve, next another side curve. The drawing, try to do it very lightly. Don't use the pencil, okay, very harshly don't do, because that impression should not be on the book when you will erase. Any painting, any drawing should be, you have to do it very lightly always. It's easy to erase. Now draw the stem. Afterwards see that curves on that, okay, the directions, it's important. See the directions, which direction it is there. Just make it like a zigzag lines, not too much, don't do too much zigzag, just a light curves line and make it double that. Now we'll draw that cherries side of the watermelon, okay. So here when you are drawing cherries you have to see the size, because watermelon, side of the watermelon, if we keep cherries, how it looks, okay. The size is important, that is only perspective, okay. So take two stems and just to draw one simple circle. See that the cherry what I am drawing, that is overlapped by watermelon. Because of that you're not able to see the complete cherry there. So see that you have to maintain that overlapping technique you should follow here. So now here I am selecting banana. Banana I am making to overlap watermelon. Okay. First which place we should draw the banana, the placement of the banana I am taking. So banana curve I taken, which shape it is there. So just a small circle. From there take one curve. See that curve you take. When curve doing time, see that how much height it should go. Now stem, draw the stem. First you do the banana, then afterwards you erase that overlapping places, okay. After doing that, downside one curve, it's like a half circle, half curve. So see that stems you draw. Now two bananas are there, so another banana it is there, nothing but just to make it double that banana outer line. See that above line is there, no, that one I'm making into double. So that is the easy technique to draw the 2 bananas or 3 bananas, how many bananas you want, you can draw. So now make one small circle, just downside you attach this curve, because this front side banana is overlapping back side banana. So because of that we cannot see that banana. Now erase whatever the lines, watermelon lines you are seeing. Why we are erasing that watermelon lines? Because banana is front side, that watermelon is back side. So banana is overlapping the watermelon. Overlapping means covering, little place it's covering. So see that. Now we select orange. Okay, orange is circle shape. So make one circle very lightly. So do it one side C and reverse C. Both together if you'll join, it will become circle. No problem, it's not exact circle. If you'll not do also, nothing will happen, because it is an orange fruit, not ball. So upside, just to draw one curve above that. Now we are drawing grapes, side of watermelon, above the orange. So grapes don't do too much big. Grapes are smaller than cherries, you make it. So one circle overlapping each other, you see that, then only it look like a bunch of grapes. So see here, now what are the grape I'm drawing, that is overlapped by the watermelon and overlapped by the front grape. Because of that we are not able to see that complete circle. Don't do very small, okay? So cherries you did know, than that little small. So now another grape, see that how I'm overlapping each other. Don't do all circles, it don't looks good, because if you'll observe the grapes how it looks, one time you see, practically when you'll see these all things you'll understand. Once the drawing is completed, see that how we composed the given fruits. It's called composition. So after completing that, take the black sketch or black color pencil or black color crayon, you sharp it little. With that you do the outline. So when you are doing outline, maintain that on the line it should come, and single line, don't do double lines. When you are doing the black outline, don't do double lines, single line try to make it. The black outline will give beauty to the drawing. Once the drawing is completed, erase the complete pencil lines. Okay, so what will happen, it will remove the complete pencil impressions. So now you take the chrome yellow, medium yellow or chrome yellow, means dark yellow you take and do that. Zigzag lines are there, no, that one you color. And I'm giving the yellow effects because watermelon is a combination of light green, dark green and yellow. So yellow effects I'm giving. Whenever I'll say effects, you have to do it lightly, not to do it darkly. Now you take the dark green and see which places it is there dark green, because every place you should not fill dark green. Side of the zigzag lines and some places you give the dark green effect. When you are doing dark green, some places you have to do it darkly, some places you have to do it lightly. Once the dark green is completed, take the light green, do it everywhere darkly. Okay, do it everywhere darkly, because this is, we are using plastic crayons. So plastic crayons can overlap everywhere, but it won't overlap the colors. Oil pastel means it's different technique, but this is with plastic crayon. So you can do it darkly everywhere. It will cover the leftover white gaps. Now we'll do the grapes. So one side you give the light green effect very lightly. Effect I said here. So light green. Every grape individually you do it. Don't do for all grapes at a time. Okay, every individual grape you give the effect like that. Now you take chrome yellow or medium yellow, any dark yellow, and apply roundly. This is also do it for every individual grape. After completing the grapes, we will do banana. Okay, so for banana you take first light green and give effects in the middle line is there, no? Lightly give effects of light green. After this light green, you take brown. Very small places you have to give the effect, and it should not be darkly. When I said effects, you have to do it very lightly, not to use pressure on that colors. So see that brown, very light effect brown. Same afterwards, take the dark yellow or deep yellow and do it darkly. So the banana is, when it is raw, we have to use the light green more. When it is ripe, we have to use the brown more and deep yellow. Okay. Now we'll do orange. So before going to color that orange, take yellow and give effects. So when you are doing orange coloring, do it in half circle way coloring. So yellow effects I'm giving here. After giving that yellow effects, you take the orange and color it in half circle way. See that how I'm handling the colors. So take the orange and do it everywhere nicely, darkly. Finally, you take yellow and just do it again everywhere on the orange. Now we are coming to cherries. So I'm taking the pink color and giving effects. Okay, light effects with the pink color. Afterwards, take red color, primary red color, and do it nicely, darkly everywhere, circle shape. Stems, you take light green and just fill it. When you are doing these small areas, sharp the light green and color. All the stems light green. Then afterwards, you take the yellow and in that leaves, one side you do yellow. Just one side you do yellow. And afterwards, take the dark green and do it completely. I hope it is clear for you. So, drawing and coloring of fruits.